Hey guys, it's Cassie, and today I am back with part 2 to my costume ideas video. If you guys watched last week, I did just regular Halloween costume ideas, but this week we are doing a little bit of a twist on it, and we are doing couples costume ideas. I'm so excited about them. I feel like they turned out so cute, and we have some really good ideas, so definitely stay tuned to watch. Also, stay tuned till the end because on the very last costume we have a special guest joining us, and you don't want to miss it. Let's get into the costumes. Starting off with costume number 1, we have It and Georgie. This one I was so excited to dress up in, and it was super easy to do. Johnny just wore a plain white t-shirt and jeans with boots. We were able to get a super cheap raincoat off of Amazon, and then we DIY'd an origami paper boat for him to hold. For my costume, I just have on a plain white bodysuit with plain red shorts and a red tutu. I added some red pom-pom balls for detail, and then we threw on white socks and red heels that I already had. And of course, I painted my face to look like Pennywise. Most of this costume really can be done just by using pieces you already have in your closet, and it was so much fun to create. For costume number 2, we have Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy. This one, once again, we were able to DIY really easily. For Johnny's costume, he just has on a plain red shirt and black shorts with long blue socks, and then he added the white hat, blue gloves, and the scarf all as finishing touches. For my costume, I am wearing a plain yellow shirt that I DIY'd with some purple seashells. Then I have plain black shorts with a purple belt that I added a yellow M to, and finally I have on green tights and gloves with pink slippers. I was really surprised at how much this one ended up looking like the cartoon, and it was so easy to do once again. This next one is such a funny one. We have filter and no filter. This one, literally all we had to get were the t-shirts that say filter and no filter, and then of course the messy blonde wig for Johnny. Then we just wore plain jeans and boots. I added a star crown and glitter to my face to kind of look sort of like something you would see on an Instagram or Snapchat filter, and that was all we had to do. This one is another super simple one that is funny too, and you and your husband or boyfriend will have so much fun dressing up in this one. I know we did. For the next costume, we have Harry Potter and the Golden Snitch. For this one, I am just wearing a gold dress with some gold wings and nude heels. I also found this gold headband that I thought added to the look. And then for Johnny's costume, we got a Harry Potter robe and wand, and then he just wore a plain shirt and jeans with a red and yellow tie, some glasses, and of course I painted a scar onto his forehead. I feel like this one is a really cute way to make Harry Potter into a couple's costume. This one, of course, could be made into a group costume using any of the other Harry Potter characters. This next one is something I have seen done before, but it is such a classic I had to throw it in here, and that is Little Red Riding Hood and the Wolf. Now, I know there are a ton of Little Red Riding Hood and wolf costumes out there, but we did a DIY version, and I think it turned out so cute. Johnny just has on a flannel shirt and jeans with plain boots, and then we added some fake blood to his white t-shirt, and I painted his face to look like a wolf. He also did add these gloves that are made to look like wolf claws. And then for my costume, I am wearing a plain black shirt and a black skirt with white socks and red heels. Then I added this red cape and basket to finish off the look. This one is so cute and easy, it would be perfect as a last-minute costume. Of course, we also had to throw in Bugs and Lola from Space Jam. This one was definitely the most comfortable costume that we did, and it's one of Johnny's favorites. We were able to find the jerseys at a Halloween store, and I also got a sweatband and shorts. Then I just added some white socks and shoes that I already had. Johnny just had to add his white basketball shorts and shoes. He also got a Space Jam hat and socks as finishing touches. This one is one that we have worn before and we will probably wear again just because it is so much fun and super comfortable. This next one is another funny one. We are dressed as Taco Bell with Johnny in a taco costume and I wore a Belle costume from Beauty and the Beast. When we saw this one, we both knew we had to add it to this video. It was once again very simple to do. We just got a taco costume for Johnny and he just wore a plain black shirt, jeans, and sneakers underneath. And then I just got a simple Belle costume and added my own new heels. It was super simple to do and so much fun for both of us. For costume number 8, we did Star Wars costumes. I dressed as Rey and Johnny as Kylo Ren, and of course for this one we have our special guest, Bear, who is also dressed as a Jedi. I just wanted to show that this one really can be made into a full group costume or family costume, even if you are needing to include dogs or if you have kids. This one is a really easy one to include a lot of people or pets if needed. For this one, we all just got store-bought costumes, once again with lightsabers, and then we both added our own shoes. But as you can tell, we both just had so much fun with this one, and Bear even seemed to like his Jedi costume. Alright guys, and that is everything for the couples costume ideas. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this gave you some inspiration if you're still looking for what to be for Halloween this year. If you guys did enjoy, please make sure to give the video a thumbs up, and of course, subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure that you also click the bell icon. That way you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what your favorite costume idea was, and I will be back next week with a brand new video. Bye guys!